Previously on Baby Bunnies.
I should have known you were at your brother's house. What did you guys do? Smoking pickle crumb? You liar! Listen. We're just laughing at each other. Touch your hair. Touch me. Oh, it's still done.
Happy New Year's!
I'll wear it though.
This whole thing right here reminds me. Do you guys smoke cigarettes?
I never.
No.
My grandma does it, and I want her to stop.
The most I've ever done. Okay, this one time we're in Mexico. I didn't bring a hookah, so I smoked the entire box of cigarettes. And I was drunk.
How did you like it?
I was drunk.
Was it different? I mean, you didn't get addicted?
No, it wasn't addicting, but it's just like I crave something to smoke.
Okay.
Well, it's not craving. It's just like I want it to.
Oh, fuck. Right.
Crap.
Do you know some people fake to be hobos?
Oh, yeah.
Like, and then they go home with damn near like $800 every day.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're cute. Is this the place? Yeah, it's so cute.
Hey, your dress.
I was gonna say, you guys are so beautiful. You're welcome. it's always important
I think I heard her
because
say,
girls are really offensive
yeah.
to just be the positive one. Because they probably were like bitches until we said that. Like, oh, yeah.
No, I think I heard her say, oh, that just made my day.
That's cute, yeah.
No, I do that all
And
the
just be
time.
more
'Cause, like,
empowering.
when people
Women
say
should be like that.
when people say that to me, like, it actually
Right.
does make me, like, I was like, oh, it's fucking
Oh, it's fucking cold. Is this the place? Oh.
Oh, no, it's in here.
What? It's okay.
Like, give me that fucking fire right now. I'll buy it off you.
It's not that fire, bro. You still just got a fire, though. Okay, so it's moving. What? You're all my bunnies. Okay. So who's going first?
When it's truth or truth, so it's gonna make a question.
Truth or dare? Okay, you and me. Truth or dare? Truth?
Yeah.
Um.
Can you even hear through over the music?
Have you ever seen the movie Matilda?
What?
Matilda.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I love that with Dan DeVito.
Yeah! It's a movie. We're gonna watch it. We're gonna get you caught up. It's a classic. Okay, so that was your question.
It's not a classic.
Who's plugged?
Like over there on the table.
I'm telling you, we have to get details. Stop laughing.